World of Warcraft esports welcomes Cataclysm. Bro, this might get Peekaboo on. Oh my gosh. What? Wait, is this April Fool's? May 22nd, esports welcomes Cataclysm. Oh my gosh, this might get Peekaboo on. Wait, what is this? Cataclysm Arena Tournament, June 2024. Signups close June 7th. Offline bracket, June 12th. June 14th to June 16th. Top 8 classic cat. What? Are you kidding me? What? Okay, I was talking about this yesterday. I thought... Oh my gosh. Dude, I thought this is what Blizzard was gonna do all through Wrath of the Lich King. And I thought Wrath of the Lich King would have the most massive tournaments ever and would actually maybe surpass retail. And Wrath would be like the new arena championship. That's what I thought. Clearly I was wrong. Blizzard's actually doing it for Kata this time. Blizzard's actually doing a $50,000 tournament for Cataclysm. This is awesome. This is so cool. I can't believe they didn't do it for Wrath, by the way, because Wrath had a lot more hype than Kata, and the PvP people seem to like just as much or more. So I'm surprised they didn't do this for Wrath. But hey, man, this is sick. This is sick. All right. Yeah, we might need Peekaboo on. Hold on, let me link this around to a couple people, all right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Dude. All right, well before like I don't know who Chanimal's playing with yet. But I guarantee Chanimal wins this. I just messaged Chanimal. I linked him the link and I said grats. He says WTF, don't pre-grats me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so sick though, man. Snuts Chan RLS takes it? Yeah, dude.